Hello, today we will be discussing the TR530 tracking camera by AVer, and specifically the setup for streaming out to Facebook. You may notice a camera here. This is actually a PTZ 310 camera, suitable for some nice sized conference rooms to about 7-10 people. And there's also the AW200 pod that is used as a wireless 4K presenter. PTZ camera does 1080p. But today we will be discussing the tracking TR530 camera with streaming out to Facebook. So real quick before we begin, just talk a little bit about my setup here. So I have the TR530 connected via network RJ45 to a switch, and that's going to my router out to the internet, which is then going back to either I can stream to different platforms such as Vimeo, Facebook, YouTube, Kaltura, Telestream, etc. Another thing worth mentioning is just a quick overview of the back of the camera. The TR530 has RJ45 as mentioned, 2 SDI outputs, an HDMI output, an audio line in for a powered microphone or audio mixer, RS-232 control, as well as the 12 volts DC power connector. The TR530 does not support PoE currently. So as mentioned, there's an audio line in. I'm currently using this lavalier microphone that does have a power switch. So definitely we recommend something that has that is powered. So first thing we want to do is find your IP address of the camera, whatever it may be. You can find it if you hook up the HDMI output. If you first get the camera powered up, hook an HDMI output from the camera, and with the remote you can find the IP address in the menu, or you can set it statically via the control of the remote control. So once you find that, you would type it into Chrome or Internet Explorer 11. Currently Edge does not work, and this would be your landing page. A couple of things to note here. You come to the gear icon for settings, video and audio. Right here it mentions video output, audio input, either AAC or G711, and IP streaming mode. Mode 1 with PTZ is what we will be using for our streaming out to Facebook. So currently I'm set up for 1080p 30 at 3 megabits per second. Your environment may differ. I'm in the home environment where I'm connected to a wireless access point, which is then connected to another wireless access point, and then getting me out to the internet. Network setting, again, this gateway and DNS will change per your network configuration, but if you're not able to actually stream out, you need to check this settings. So here it says RTMP server PTZ. This PTZ is referencing the setting here for PTZ. So whatever this is set up for, this is what it's going to be using, this PTZ selection. So server URL, we will get the server URL and the stream key from Facebook. So next would be go to your Facebook account. I'm already logged in and whatnot, but what I can do here, selecting these 3 dots, there's a live video selection. Go to live video. It should prompt me for live video setup. Do I want to use just my local camera, use a paired encoder, or use a stream key? I'm going to use a stream key. And this right here where it says live API, it says server URL. I'm going to copy that, go back to my tracking camera, paste that in here, Now I need to find my stream key. I'm going to copy that. Go in here. Paste it. And I'm going to say connect. What you should have here, you should have, this should switch to streaming. Also on your main page, down here we'll say on air, which is an indication that you're actually streaming. So if we go back to our live producer, notice here, it's actually getting the video or the stream from the tracking camera. Now I'm using a headset to record this video, but then I also have this mic, this powered microphone connected straight to the audio in of the camera to capture audio for the stream. So if I were to open this up, currently muted. So right there you can see there's a bit of delay. So that's pretty much it. There's other settings here for if you wanted to embed a code, allow embedding, viewing, allow viewers to rewind, etc. Now in order to go live, going live on Facebook, we would select here to go live. So now here we're showing we're going live. You can end your live video here. You want to end this video now? Okay. It says it's ended. But now, in order to end the stream from the camera, we'll go back to the tracking camera, select disconnect to end the stream. It's also recommended, and actually it indicates here, to please close the camera web interface after setting to maintain stable streaming frame rate. Basically that's saying if you're streaming out and also using this web interface with this live view, it could cause bandwidth issues. So best practice is to start the stream and then just close the window. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I just left it open. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this has been a good quick tutorial covering the TR530 tracking camera and streaming out to Facebook. Thank you.